Hello friends, welcome you all to our Chikmagalur blog. Today is the second day of the trip. Our initial plan was to visit Mulayangiri and Hebe Falls, but after coming here, we got to know that the road is closed for tourists due to some Padayatra is happening. So we could not visit the Mulayangiri and Hebe Falls today. So if you plan to visit Mulayangiri or Hebe Falls, do not plan in December last week because this Padayatra usually happen every December last week around 22 to 27. So now we have decided to visit Bhadra Falls and Wildlife Sanctuary, which is 3 hours of drive. এই হট ওয়াটার আছে তো লেফট সাইডে হট ওয়াটার আর 8:30 হ্যাঁ 8:30 সময় টি কফি দেবে The morning breakfast we had hot idli, sambar and coconut chutney made by the homestay. After finishing breakfast, we got ready and started our trip to Bhadra waterfalls. We have reached to Bhadra waterfalls. One side there is vast wide Bhadra river, and that river is falling down the ramp, making into a waterfalls, beautiful waterfalls. We can experience the both river and waterfalls combined together. ওটা তুলি আমার হাত ধরে থাকো We spent some beautiful times over there and took some photos and videos. পেয়েছিস সানগ্লাস পেয়েছিস আসলি After finishing waterfalls, we started for the wildlife sanctuary, which is around 15 minutes of drive from the waterfalls. Wildlife sanctuary মধ্যে চলে এসেছি এখানে We had a very quick lunch in a nearby restaurant, which is around 1 kilometer from the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, and then we returned back to the sanctuary for the bus safari. It was a very huge rush due to the Christmas holidays. It took a long time to get the bus safari ticket. So if you plan for the safari, please go in advance and book your ticket.
তাহলে তুমি আজকে রাহুল
হ্যাঁ
দেখলে তো আইডেন্টি কার্ডের পাওয়ারটা দেখলে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ we could see the Bhadra river while on the bus safari. The river is surrounded by the whole Bhadra forest where the sanctuary is. We had spotted few deers eating grass near to the riverside forest area. We could spot only few animals, but the bus safari gave us a real forest-like experience. Okay. Wait. You'll get a short break of around 15 to 20 minutes at the near to the end of the safari, and we just get down and took couple of photos there. We are not lucky enough to see tiger or any other animals. Only few animals we could spot. So at the end of the safari, we started our journey to return back to homestay. Instead of jeep safari or bus safari, you can also plan for boat safari along the Bhadra river, which is also an enjoyable experience. So this is the end of the second day video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comments in our channel. Please stay tuned for the upcoming videos.